வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா மார்ச் மந்தோட பார்ட் 3 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். First one, in which city is the country's first copper made Bapu Tower dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi located? So it is located in Patna. Which company has introduced the Pure for Sure initiative to enhance transparency and trust in delivery? So it is Bharat Gas. The first female Subedar in the Indian Army. So it is Preeti Rajak. Preeti Rajak. In which of the famous temple of Tamil Nadu Shiva is worshipped as Nataraja? So it is in the place Chidambaram. Which country is set to launch its first luxury train, the Dream of the Desert? So it is Saudi Arabia. Which Indian city is the host of Hero Asian Champions Trophy 2023? So it is Chennai. Dancing Girl sculpture is a famous art piece found in which place? So it is found in Mohenjo-daro of Indus Valley Civilization. Valley Queen Heritage Train is the first heritage train of which state? So it is Rajasthan. Radar Festival is celebrated in which state? It is celebrated in Hyderabad, that is Telangana. Where was the India's first digital National Museum of Epigraphy inaugurated? So it is inaugurated in Hyderabad. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ வந்து லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.